Here I have Xiaomi Mi 8 and let me show you how to insert here the Nano SIM card. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key. So let's keep holding power button, choose here power off and touch power off again just to confirm the whole operation. Afterwards, you need to find the slot. The slot to your cards is located right here at the left edge of the device. Now let's simply use some paper pin or special eject tool to open this slot. Let me show you. Just press it right here. Alright. Now you can remove the whole thing from your device, and here you can insert two Nano SIM cards. So this is the dual SIM version. Let me show you how to insert those cards. Here I have the special card with the characteristic edge right here, the Nano SIM card. Let's place this card in that position. Alright, this is the first slot. Now let's insert the second Nano SIM card with the characteristic edge right here. Let's put this card in that position. And this is the properly inserted slot. Now let's put the whole thing into your device and let's press it to the end. All you need to do right now is simply press power key to switch on the device and to check out if both cards are working properly. So let's just wait a couple of seconds. Alright, and the home screen pops up. Let's unlock the screen. Let me just make the screen a little bit brighter. Now let's choose here settings, choose SIM cards. As you can see, the device is reading our two SIM cards, so everything went well. You can use your mobile network access right now. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave a thumbs up under the video.